Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a really special episode for you. It's a gardening related episode again. And what I wanted to do is I have an unboxing video for you. Someone that I follow and subscribe to on YouTube, his name is Papa Pepper, and I also follow him on a blogging platform that I'm a part of called Steemit, and that's where I met him, and then I started following him on YouTube. And Papa Pepper does a lot of really cool things on his homestead. So he has a homestead and he does all kinds of gardening videos. He also does critter videos and highlights different kind of animals and talks about them. And he's just a really positive, upbeat, really friendly guy, and it's really fun watching his videos. A lot of times he'll include his kids in the videos, and it's a really neat channel. So if you like gardening, if you like critters and animals and things of that nature, make sure to follow Papa Pepper's channel. I'll put a link down below where you can find him and subscribe if you like. Now, so he sent me a box, and I know what's in there for the most part. He asked, I saw when he was doing a gardening tour of his garden, I saw that he had a pitaya or a dragon fruit vines, and I just mentioned to him that, hey, those are really neat, and that they do grow really well here in Arizona. And he's like, well, would you like a cutting? I was like, yeah, that would be really cool. So in here, I'm expecting to find a cutting from his dragon fruit cactus or pitaya. And so I'm really excited for that. And then I'll, in a different video, I'll plant it in my garden, and we'll go from there. So now I want to open up the box and show you what's in there. I'm going to bring the camera in a little closer so you can all enjoy this experience with me. Once again, thank you, Papa Pepper. All right, let's open this up. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Here's the pitaya cuttings, dragon fruit. I'm excited to plant these, and look, there's something else in here. What in the world is this? So here, for those of you who may not be familiar with pitaya or dragon fruit, here is a picture of a dragon fruit. They're really exotic and cool looking, and they grow well here in Arizona. So I can't wait to plant these in my garden, and they should do pretty well in a container garden. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll plant those, and I'll do a video about that. And he gave me several cuttings here in case some of them don't take root. Cool. And there's something else in here. I have no idea what it is. Oh my goodness, no way. This has got some weight to it. Uh-oh. What? Oh my gosh. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. For those of you who don't know, most of you here on my cooking channel don't know, I collect coins and I love coins. And I'm part of this blogging platform called Steemit, where you can post. I post my cooking stuff over there as well. You can post and earn cryptocurrency called Steem. And this is a 0.999%, so pretty much 100% silver ounce with the Steem logo on it. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. And there's a really cool tree on the background, which is really neat. I love trees. Oh my gosh. So unexpected. And here is my man, Papa Pepper. Thank you so much. And it came with an authenticity, a Steem silver round authenticity 1 troy ounce, uncirculated. I got a little teary-eyed there for a moment. Thank you so much, man. I really, really appreciate it. I was not expecting that coin, and I was expecting also probably just like one little cutting from your plant there. And so thank you so much. Everyone, please go and follow Papa Pepper. Once again, I'll put his link to his YouTube channel down below. Really, really cool content that you'll find over there. He has tons of videos. Again, thank you so much, Papa Pepper. I really appreciate it. And if you guys like the blog, check out Steemit. You can post over there and earn a little bit of cryptocurrency as well. And if you want to find out more about cryptocurrency, follow me on my variety channel, my Matt Taylor channel. And thank you. Thank you so much, Papa Pepper. I really appreciate it. In another video, I want to show you how I plant these dragon fruit vines, these dragon fruit cactus or pitaya, and we'll go from there. Once again, I am Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.